Hey guys, this is going to be a quick one, but I said I wanted to get 2 videos up this week, so this is me getting the second video up. I'm going to do a cold December startup. We missed November, and I want to try to start this at least once a month. I have no idea how it's going to start up in the cold weather, so we're going to find out. But first, I'm going to ask you guys, if you haven't already come from this channel, check out Lunar Outlaws Garage. He's got a lot of really cool stuff going on that channel. He's fun to watch. He is currently working on a 71 Buick GS. Some of you know that my first love was a 69 Buick Skylark, and as a Skylark owner, everybody wanted the GSs. So it's pretty cool to see that happening over there. And I know for a fact that he has promoted my channel, and some of my subscribers came over from there. So if you aren't aware of that channel, check it out, because again, he's incredibly fun to watch, and yeah, it's just a good time. So, all right. Let's see if we can't get this thing started. All right, I got a fan pumping air out for a little bit of ventilation, and it's pretty cold outside, but we'll crack the door a little bit. Get some air flowing through here. I really have no idea what to expect. It was pretty warm the last time I started this, and like I said, I haven't started it cold, so when it's this cold outside anyway. She wants to run. Not bad. I want to be honest, I'm proud of her. I'm very pleased with that. I'm so proud of her. I did not expect it to start that easily. I don't know why, I just didn't think. I thought it would fight me a lot more, but yeah, for as cold as it is, which we're in the low 30s right now, and it hasn't been run in well over a month, not bad. So here we go. A few updates. I am working on getting the braking system reinstalled. The new master cylinder is in here, so you guys will see that coming up. I'm gonna get basically the front end brakes reinstalled, and I think before I run the lines to the back, I'm going to drop out the back end. It looks like it appears to be the pinion seal that is leaking back there. So I'm gonna disconnect that, pull out the leaf springs and back end, get a new gasket and a pinion seal in that thing, get it repainted, make sure everything's good with the back end. I'll probably install the brake lines on it then, put that back in, and then we will run the rest of the brake lines. So that is the plan for that. That will hopefully take place in December into January. And then when we get into, also, gonna get the filter and a new gasket on the transmission pan there. Make sure that is good to go, and after that's all done, probably the first bodywork project I'm going to be doing is the driver's side floor pan. I think I'm going to weld in a new one, and hopefully I'm doing that by end of January if I'm being realistic. So we're getting there. It's taking longer than I wanted, but pretty soon should be cutting sheet metal and on our way to the body stuff. So that's where we're at. Side note, I got new lighting for the garage, so hopefully you guys can see better in here. Just one of those, I got this at Harbor Freight. It's it was like 19 bucks, and it puts out a ton of light. So that's all I got for this episode. Looking forward to all the stuff coming ahead. So until then, guys, take care.